we're going to do a video on fixing the 9-volt battery connector. I found this little stud tester in the yard. I'm like, cool, it'll work for me if I use it while I'm on the job somewhere and lose it. It's no big deal. The ends broke off. So what you need is a bad 9-volt battery. You're going to peel this off and make note of which color connector is which. The big one is red, so that kind of makes sense. And then once we got this off, it should come off pretty easily. Let me pause it while we do this. Okay, it just fell off. Here's all 9-volt battery is. It's just a bunch of little cells in there. And then we want the red to be the positive. You're gonna need a soldering iron. Or in my case, I got a gun. Guns heat up quicker. A little bit of solder. And we're going to use a razor blade. Carefully cut away from yourself. Never towards yourself. And so the we're going to use is red is the bigger one. So we're just going to cut the vinyl open carefully. And there it is. Should come out. I could just cut the wires too, but I'd rather remove them so I get the length of them I need. There the wires are. There's the connectors that are broke. Strip them and use them. There that one is. Okay, so we got both ends here. Strip it just a little bit with the pliers. You can use any type of pliers. This one's already got the solder on it. Take the gun. Back a little bit. Here we heat the solder. Remember the big end is the positive. So the little end is the black. Actually, we're going to heat the solder up. And this is actually a Blue Point snap-on one, and I was able to get the tips at the local hardware store. Actually, I have a old different brand that actually the tips work, so I don't have to go spend all that money. So now we're going to get the old solder out the way, put the new solder in. May not take right away, so we'll just try. Okay.